How to lock or unlock your US bank cards. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to lock or unlock your cards of US Bank, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to the application and launch it and log in using your credentials. Once you have logged in, tap on these three horizontal lines on the top left corner to open the main menu. From the main menu, you will see other options to manage the cards. Select on Manage Cards section from the left side panel. After that, you land to this page. From the card management, select the card that you want to lock or unlock. After that, under the Protect section, you will see two options: Lock or Unlock Card or Report Card Stolen or Lost. Tap on Lock or Unlock Card and you will land to this page. Now from here, if you want to lock the card, make sure to toggle off the option. Likewise, if you wish to unlock a card, you will need to enter a one-time passcode for the security purposes. For this example, if the passcode is already entered, only then you can toggle the switch from on and off. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.